Today, hundreds of companies across the world rely on the research, data, and insights from Interact Analysis, the market intelligence authority for global technology research. Our quarterly manufacturing industry output tracker provides the most complete and unified analysis of the global manufacturing industry. Tracking 102 global manufacturing sectors in 35 verticals across 44 countries, we quantify the total value of manufacturing production with deep granularity. Our interactive datasets span 20 years to provide a complete business cycle analysis of all key manufacturing markets, including food and beverage, metals, chemicals, electronics, automotive, and material handling. We provide granular market size and forecast data built up from individual country-level models, and also substantial depth into the China market, gained from our analysts and experts on the ground. All of the data is accessible through advanced interactive datasets and Power BI dashboards, augmented with extensive written analysis of markets and trends to help you gain further insight, with the full 5-year forecast updated quarterly. Plus, you'll get real-time, one-to-one analyst access to help you interpret and interrogate the data for your exact business needs. Here's what our customers have to say about us. Get ahead and stay ahead with robust market intelligence and discover the insights you need to succeed. For a live demo or to find out more, contact info@interactanalysis.com.